Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to overlay two charts in TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open TradingView and select the main chart you want to use. This could be any symbol, such as Apple stock or Bitcoin. This will serve as your base chart for comparison. Next, look at the top toolbar and click the Compare or Add Symbol button, marked with a plus sign. This allows you to bring in another chart to overlay. In the search bar, type the ticker of the second symbol you want to add, such as SPY for the S&P 500 or ETHUSD for Ethereum. Once you select it from the list, it will instantly appear overlaid on your main chart. Now you'll be able to visually compare both datasets on one screen. This makes it easier to spot correlations, divergences, or market trends across different assets. So that's basically how you can overlay two charts in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.